All right, so I purchased these solar lights on Amazon, and they have a sensor on them. And the way they work is, you put them up somewhere, somebody walks by them, they turn on, and you can screw them in. If you notice, there was a couple screw holes. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some double-sided tape, and I found that this stuff works really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the back where you would screw it in, and let me just lift this thing over here so you can see. I'm going to go ahead and put it right at the top, and then I'm just going to cut it off with the scissors. And it has that plastic on the top there, and then we're going to take that off, and we're just going to apply it with the adhesive onto the fence. And that's basically how it works. And we're going to check it out and see how these things function. All right, so now if you turn it over on the back, you got to set the timing. So if you go to the left, if you push that all the way to the left, that's the off position. And then you've got 3 different positions to the right, and you got to push it. You feel it underneath that plastic cover. So it has 3 settings, 1, 2, and 3, and I don't even have any idea what they are because they didn't give you any directions with it. But when you first turn it on, it does give you a little test and the light clicks on. You see how the light clicked on just there? I'm going to turn it off and I'll do it again. Watch. Let me push it to off. When I push it on, it shows you that it's working, and then it turns off right away. So that's the test. So for this first one, I'm just going to put it on the 1 mode, and then we'll test it and see how she works tonight once we get it up. All right, so anyway, I'm going to put it right up here like that. And then what I've got to do is get this tape off the back of it, which is kind of a pain in the butt because it's kind of sticky and you don't want to screw up the one side. So you got to kind of grab it with your fingernail. And as you can see, it's not easy. Oh, there we go. Bam, done. All right, now all we got to do is put her up there. And of course, I'm holding the camera with one hand and trying to do it with the other. I got to get it in frame. There we go. So now it's up there and ready to go. I think it's looks pretty good. And we'll see how she works. So we got one up. I'm going to do this second one, but I'm going to put it on the number 2 mode, and we'll try that out and see how she works. And take her out and put her on the fence. I'm going to put it right up here. I'm going to clean it first, make sure there's no residue on there, so we get a good seal with the tape. And that's always a smart thing to do before you stick it up there. All right, so let's get the tape off of this one here, and got to be careful, make sure that you don't touch it with your hand. As again, I'm using one hand to do the actual application, and my other hand is filming with my iPhone. And there she goes, bam. Now we got 2 of them out there. So now tonight we'll come out when it's dark, and we'll see how these bad boys work. I think they're going to work great. All right, I'm going to see if these turn on when I walk in here, because I just put them in and they were solar. Oh, look at that. Bam. Work good. Nice. All right, let's go turn this light off and see how it works. All right, so the one went off. Let's see what happens when I walk in. Haha, nice. All right, they were good. That's really good. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this.